Hi everyone, so today we will talk about how to use as-destructibles and how to set up distractions. We will talk about cached components and events built in the system. So now you see as-destructibles created automatically. Every as-destructible part has health points, so now we can see it in runtime. Events allows you make detaching like this and do with the destructible parts what you want. So each as-destructible has health level of details, and every level of detail has each event. Okay, so now we are going to overview as destructible. So this is bonnet as destructible generated automatically. We can go there clicking on the. Okay, now we see 3 cached components. We can add new one or remove it. So I want to show you level of detail events. Just click on the health box you need. Okay, when health is full here, so on start adds mesh collider, and for mesh collider sets convex option to true. And when health is 23, we add rigid body, add heat joint, and set for heat joint parent. And when health is 0, we invoke when health is 0, we invoke method on transform set parent null, set rigid body to non-kinematic, and destroy as heat joint component. Something like this are made with other types. It were generated from presets and sometimes are calculated. Next we are going to talk is max displacement and max fracture that controls the displacement visual of the car. So let's get a look how difference are between them. So this is done by displacement, so based on max displacement. Now I am going to show you fracture. So now we can see on the back fracture effect. So this controls by max fracture in as destructible for every part. Okay, so now let's talk about the events detail. Okay, now we are going to detach this object from the car and do this on health is max, so this will done on the start. Now let's do something with the destructible part. Maybe I'm going to disable object on start. Do you see it was disabled? So my system gives you really freedom and it's easy and really fast in setup. So thanks for watching.